It's the calm before the storm. We've got 4 electric hypercarts. We're hitting the street. First, let's show you what we've got.
All right, my name is George from Originals Electric Motorsports. That's my Instagram. This right here is a CRG go-kart with a QS165 motor, far driver controller, EBMX battery that we're running for now. So this one has a big motor. It's a QS180 with the biggest far driver I could find for it. Running a temporary battery. It needs like a molly cell for this.
What's up, guys? It's LA Rides. You guys already seen this thing. It's a Tony go-kart with a BAC, a surron motor, and 2 surron batteries. It's running about 10,000 kilowatts right now. We are using the Kilowatt app. Shout out to Derek. It's a monster in the streets.
I'm on the full-size RC car today. This was built by Domo at Supervolt. We're running a Surron Storm B motor, the biggest Surron motor they make, with a 72-volt Arctic Leopard battery and a BAC 8000 controller. I'm the only kart out today with full suspension, but I think I'm still gonna have some trouble keeping up. I'm so excited, a little nervous. Let's hit the streets. This is possibly never done before. All right, gentlemen, how we feeling?
A little nervous.
Me too. Oh shit. Already cops. There's no way there are 2 cops there already. We're out. We're in the streets. Oh, I totally forgot where the brakes were. It's been a minute since I drove this. This is so badass. They've got no suspension. I'm so happy I've got suspension. So my oh, that's a cop up ahead. Undercover. Oh no. Shit. Wheel down. That's terrible. Oh, my bad, my bad. Literally right in front of that undercover cop.
Right in front of the fucking car.
You got any tools on you?
No, I don't. I'm so glad I was not riding that one.
Shout out to P51 for the little tool. We're back out. This is already quite eventful. Dude, this is so funny. We are downtown LA right now. Downtown. Wow, this is so sick. Look at this open road. Oh I'm really happy to have suspension. Dude, this is so sick. This is so fun. Dude. He's crazy on that thing. I can't even talk or narrate right now. I'm fully focused. No way, the cops did nothing. The cops did nothing. No way. Okay, now I'm less nervous. We've already gone past 2 cops.
I hit a bump and this thing went twice as fast.
He said he hit a bump, he's going twice as fast now.
This thing's fast.
Oh, make sure you're on third. You're third. Your button, your thing on the side. Right here. Hey.
Oh shit.
I'll go behind you, I'll go behind you.
He's on.
Oh, we're heading up to the 6th Street Bridge. This is one of the best spots in LA. Oh, bike cop, that's not good. Yeah, that's not good. I don't like bike cops. Best bridge in LA. Let me enjoy it before I get arrested. This is kind of unrelated, but there's only 1 week left of my giveaway. I'm giving away 3 Solarias in a week. Very few people have entered. So if you'd like to win one, now's your chance. There's another bike cop up there, so we're gonna avoid him. Whoa, that was badass. That was so sick. That was really close. Pulling someone else over. Let's go. Oh, let's go, dude. Oh my god, they're getting in a fight. LA. While I'm at this light, I may as well just say, don't try this at home. I have a spoiler on this cart, which makes it street legal. Dude, the cops don't care. I'm shocked. This is so fun, dude. My adrenaline is just record high right now.
Shit's fire, bro.
Everybody's looking at us. You definitely get people looking at you on a surron or... But on this thing, everybody's looking, especially because there's 4 of us. Except for the cops, they're not looking. They don't seem to really give a f. I'll go up. Oh, dude, I'm so sorry. My bad. Are you okay? You're good?
Well, today's only content, bro. Oh, yeah, we're...
Oh, shit. God damn it. I forgot about the spoiler. Ooh, it's a nice parking lot. Woo! We're drifting. We're drifting. Holy shit. Oh man, he's burning it up. This is the most fun thing I could possibly be doing right now. Oh man, look at this spot. Oh no. Dude, I think I just ran out of battery. I think I literally just ran out of battery. Yeah. I'm out, bro. So, hold shit. Dude, we'll have to logisticize how I get back.
I can pull you. I got a strap.
I'm still gotta work on it.
Whoa, that seat really hugs you. I think I'm too fat for this one.
Wait, we haven't drove this.
You can't breathe when you're driving this. It pushes your chest down.
Alright, let's see if we can get home like this. Oh shit! Oh, we're flying back. There's only 1 week left to enter the giveaway. There's 3 bikes up for grabs. I'm giving them away in 1 week. So if you'd like to win a bike, you've got 1 week left to enter. Massive shout out to LA E-Rides for towing me. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't try this at home. As I do.
Yeah.